Hey folks, DJ at the Rapid Squirrel Garage. Today I'm going to install a new LED cargo light slash third brake light on my 2013 Ford F-150. Sorry, my dogs are all over me. Alright, come on. Come on. There we go. There they are. Both of them. Yeah, anyway, this is Milo, my new puppy, by the way. He's about, I'm guessing, 8 months old. He's a sweet boy though. So, and then of course you all probably know Layla back here. Come on, Layla. There she is. There's Layla. She's 5. She just turned 5 not too long ago, last month. So, yeah, alright, there's my puppies. Anyway, let's go get that third brake light installed. Alright, here's the light I got, and there will be a description, or a link to it in the description. It's blacked out, got a top row of red and a bottom row of white. It's supposed to be really good. It comes with these two little, looks like silicone rubber sealers for the 2 screws here and here. And it also came with 2 bolts, nuts and bolts. I don't think I'll need those, but they're there. So let's go ahead and get the old light off real quick and see what we're looking at. Right, just 2 screws, should come right out. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, if you haven't seen this is one of those gyroscopic screwdrivers, and you basically just put it in, pull the little handle on it, and twist whichever way you want it to twist, and boom, it does it. The thing's awesome, and it's pretty powerful. Alright, we're going to lay those up on top of the roof. Careful not to scratch the paint. Pull this out. And there we go. We got the 3 bulbs. So, looks like you take these 3 out. The center one's going to be your red. Center one's going to be your red. Now you got that off. So with the new one, you have these 2 little plugs. One's for the red, one's for the white. I have no idea which one. I'm assuming the one coming out of the middle is the brake light. I'm going to make an assumption. So pull your lights out. Save those for some other project. I'm going to plug the middle one into the middle one on the light itself to the middle one on the plug. Maybe. Yep, there it goes. And then the same thing over here. There we go. Quick and easy. Backwards. So let me pop this back up here. It does stick out a little further. The weather seal. This one, the weather seal is nice and tight, and the lens fits directly up against the body. I should get. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe that off. Yeah, I know. Go get a towel and some paper towels. I will. So, yeah, that's basically it. It does stand out, like I said, a little bit more. Let's see if I can get a good picture of that. You can see there's kind of a gap right here. But you'll never notice it. I mean, I didn't notice it until I just put it on. So, yeah, that's it. And then we just screw it back in. Should be done. Rubber gasket. The other one on. Oops. Okay, that's it. It's on there. It's nice and tight. I don't see any leaks or open spaces. There's what the old one looks like. There's a new one. I think it just looks much better. Since the truck's a dark color, the black looks much better than this big white piece sitting up here. So let me go ahead and turn the truck on and let you see what it looks like. Alright, I just opened the door and that's what it looks like in the daytime. Looks pretty good to me, and it is the bottom row, so that's a good sign. Let me go ahead and just turn the lights on and see how that looks. And here's how it looks at night. Not too bad. I don't know why the lights are still on, so I'm going to go in. There it went off. I'm going to go in, wait for that light to go off, and then hit the brakes so you can see what that looks like. And there you go. That's how it looks at night. Not too bad in my opinion. Alright, there it is. Quick and easy install. And if you notice, it kind of blends in really well with the like the black lines on the truck here and the dark window, and you know, the truck's dark anyway, so it just kind of blends in good when it's you know, not lit up. That was my main reasoning for it, and I wanted the LEDs. So I hope you liked the video. Quick and easy, I know, but you never know, somebody may find it useful. So if you could, go ahead and hit that like button. If you aren't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more videos coming out on this F-150. So I will catch you all on the next one.